Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Understanding Foreign Culture. We are going to start our fourth unit, that is conduct networking activities. And at the end of this lesson, students should be able to explain elements of behavior in multicultural environment. Let us start with the three elements of behavior. The main elements of behavior are language, religion, and race. Language, religion, and race influence the behaviors and interactions among people. Religions bond people of common faith together. It can influence their behavior and daily practices. Language, religion, and race influence the behaviors and interactions among people. People interact and communicate through languages. A country can be made up of people of different origins and dialects. People of a region may have a dialect that is very different from its neighboring regions. For example, in United Kingdom, other than the official language of English, the Scottish speaks Scot in the northern part of UK. Welsh is spoken in Wales and some part of England. Thus, having an official language allows a country of diverse races to communicate and interact. Religions bond people of a common faith together. It can influence their behavior and their daily practices. Now we will discuss about culture of China and their behavior. The modern Chinese culture has been influenced by many different forces and primarily communism. Modernization has made great influence on Chinese culture in the 20th century, which saw China underwent sea changes after it became the People's Republic of China. The changes covered widely both on the economic and art cultural aspects, such as modern Chinese music. In the 1980s, modernization brought a lease of life for Chinese music, which was greatly suppressed during the earlier period of Cultural Revolution. The revival of music in China after the 80th decade saw musicians touring foreign countries. Western musicians also toured China. Western music became popular in China. Now have a look on the culture of Japan. In Japan, where the society is considered homogeneous, made up of mainly Japanese-speaking Japanese people, anyone not Japanese is referred as Gaijin. These main religions are Shinto and Jain Buddhism. Shinto, also known as the ways of the gods, refers to the belief everything in nature contains kami or spiritual essence, with the understanding of the Japanese people and its culture. It is important to be aware of non-verbal communication cues and cultural differences. If we talk about India, India's social stratification is defined by the caste system, which puts a person into a hierarchical position depending on the family you are born into or work you do. The Brahmins are the most respected, while the Paryas are considered as untouchables. Their poor beggars and workers who work in the street cleaning rubbish are considered as untouchable. So there are main four castes, that is Brahman, then Kshatriyas, then Vaishyas and Shudras. By contrast, the French are defined by citizenship regardless of ancestry or country of residence. France is a country of individualism. Professional relationships are regulated with contract and there are no deeper emotions for workplace. The individual is very important and only responsible for its family. This is also applies to the work sphere. Professional relationships are regulated with contract and there are no deeper emotions for workplace. Individuals are responsible for their work and the principle of self-management and self-evaluation are usual. Let's talk about Germany. In Germany, Christianity makes up the majority of the population, recorded at 52 million observers 2011, making up 62% of the population. The second largest following is Islam at 4 million. German is spoken by 90 to 100 million people globally and is one of the main languages spoken and used in the European Union. Now we will discuss about USA. The United States of America is made up of 50 states as seen by the number of stars on its federal flag. It is mainly Christian country with 50% of Protestant and 24% of Roman Catholics. English is the official language, but due to its large immigration populations, other languages including Spanish and Asian languages are widely spoken. So dear students, it was our today's lesson. Hope you have understood well. Thank you so much.